Oh, look at the doggy, man. So cute.
Oh, that's a nice Porsche.
Doggy tight, doggy clean,
Where we
doggy
going?
fresh. I don't know. Just straight down.
Alright.
Well, I mean, we'll turn around worst case scenario because I don't know where we're actually going, to be honest. This is where the pin was, so.
Okay. We'll just go for a little ride then, have a bimble.
Yeah, I mean, we'll have a look. There's a roundabout in front of us, so we can turn around if need be. Oh, it does turn red. Damn it. Ugh. This looks like a nice little seafront compared to Southend.
To be fair, Southend isn't one of the worst. It's not terrible. I mean, I've seen some other seafronts that are absolutely...
Oh, look at this.
Like...
Oh, yeah, Mac, but...
Well, we used to... You know Adventure Island, right? You know, so if you're looking at it's in front of you and the water's behind it, the left-hand side used to be just a giant river with a train round it. Or lake, I guess I should say.
Oh, shit. I did not know that.
Yeah.
Look,
we're talking
you have private golf?
Talking like ages ago, though.
Lots!
I can't lie, I'm getting Brighton vibes right now.
Let's go to the casino!
Yes.
Hey, this is really nice, you know? Look at that further down, that building.
Should we just follow this for a bit?
Yeah, we can follow this for a bit. Again, we're not in a rush anyway, so it doesn't matter. Again, we have till about 2 o'clock if we want to get back for 4.
Yeah.
So it's not a rush, I'd say. This looks really fucking nice though, I've got to say.
Yeah, the sun's come out now as well. It's
Oh, look at this beach, man!
That's a big
in the pier.
Brighton's like this. Brighton's like this.
I'm gonna show the video to my mum and she's gonna be like, you fucking cunt, when do you take me there? She really likes a good beach. Like, she just came back from Tunisia, right? My mum.
Yeah.
She's going back for her birthday, which is Tuesday. So on Tuesday on her birthday, she's gonna be stuck at Southend Airport going back to Tunisia. Oh, look at that. That's nice, man. Me like it. Right, we're gonna do a little undertake here. Just because I can't be able to sit behind that. Oh. Hey, sister. Even the hotels, like here on the right. Oh.
Yeah, they got that classic, like, beach style to them.
Oh, yeah. Compared to fucking Southend or even Margate. Margate's alright, but...
To be fair, I'd argue there's more on Southend Seafront than there is in Margate.
Oh, 100%. But Margate's alright looking. Like, I can't say I wouldn't go there, but...
The only reason we go Margate is because it's something to do for the day. And because because it's a bike thing.
Exactly, the only reason. Otherwise, why would you go Margate?
But they do a Brighton one, didn't they? But Brighton Burn up in September, but I've not been able to go. And they do the Hastings run as well, and I've not done that yet.
Well, I mean, at least we know what it's like. For if we want to do the Hastings one.
Yeah. Oh, that dog does not like bikes.
Oh, it was a dog, I thought it was a child. Look at the waves!
Oh, that is nice.
You can't even see France. Oh, damn it.
Rabid, some like rabid bloody dog. I mean child. Damn it.
Oh, there's a speed camera coming up, but it is a 30, so that's fine.
Cool.
And plus it's front facing anyway. Oh no, sorry. Such a shame, didn't see my front plate. Oh, I think it's for the other side anyway. I don't think it goes on this side.
Oh yeah, there's no markers on this side.
Oh, I think is it dual front? I think it might be a dual camera. Yeah,
no, it's got nothing sticking out the back to take a picture.
But why the fuck did they put the lines on this side as well, just to scare people?
Don't want to chance it.
Oh, we can't go on the bus lane. Fuck.
Nah.
Technically, I am taxed as a bicycle though, so...
Yeah, exactly. Tax document says it's a bicycle officer.
Exactly. The bus lane wasn't clearly marked right here. So how was I going to know it's a bus lane? Oh, see, now I can. Coach, CCTV for your safety, live bus tracking.
Oh, well, there's a van in the bus line.
Oh well. Well, I think we need to be in the left lane if we're going straight.
Yeah, I'm already in the left.
Left, and come in my asshole. Oh, look at the dogger. Hi. Oh, look at these people.
Wow.
Absolutely fucking blind. Oh, look at this building. This is nice as well. In a delivery rider.
Polizia,
That's not
polizia.
nice. I just hope they take very lightly to small plates, to be honest.
To be fair, there's no one actually in them.
Yeah, that's true. They're probably walking down the seafront, to be fair. And plus, we're not being cunts anyway, so I don't
that
give a
beach
fuck.
is, well, I say beach. That oh my god, look how far you can see out ahead. Like if you look to the left slightly, you can see the where the van keeps going.
I wonder if that's still England.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it should be. Can't see France though today, damn it. Azure, I wonder what this is. Cocktail bar and diner. Opa.
Opa.
This is fucking nice, you know.
It is, isn't it?
Too posh for us. Oh, definitely for my old little bike. My finger keeps getting stuck to my clutch. I wonder if it's just freezing cold, my lever.
Got ice on your lever.
Could be, because it's like really sticky. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. I haven't got stuck to it yet. Oh, look at the fucking land back there, man. That looks sick.
Nice,
or we can keep going up to there. Should we go?
I mean, we can just follow this as long as we can. If you want, I'm down for anything.
I'm down for it. Oh, look at that. That looks fucking sick.
Oh, that gets well nice down there.
Yeah, exactly what I said. Should we keep going?
Let's sod it. Beach day.
Hey, Mika! Und das heißt... Like, this is too fucking fancy for me, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh, it's probably not as fancy as you think.
No, I know, but it just looks fancy, innit?
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
That's really nice. I just hope I don't run out of memory space whilst we're doing this little seafront run.
Yeah.
Because I would cry.
You going left or?
No, straight.
Okay.
Keep going.